Welcome back. I'm back working on the Mini today. The main goal for today is to respray the rear subframe that I have. Gonna etch prime it and then spray it in satin black and then work on welding this shell up. We want to get at least one side sill ready to be put in. I'm still waiting on a few tools, so I don't think I can do the job fully, but hopefully get myself into a position where next weekend I can just weld the sill in. So, see how it goes. Subframe is done. Etch primed it and then put some satin black on. So now I'm gonna get the old shell out. I'm gonna bring it forward and then have a look at the sill. It's my first ever panel cut out, ever. And apart from that bending, I think I did pretty well. Alrighty, next order of business is to take this patch here out and kind of continue that hole, if you like, that cutout that we've got here, all the way along here. Okay, I've got my second panel out. Bam bam. So yeah, as you can see, I've got this section out as well. So basically I need to carry on going until all of this is out. So that's what I'm going to do next.
Right, you gotta do that.
Basically what we're doing here is we're just cutting out all the metal we need to get the sill in. So as you can see, it's kind of just this one huge chunk there. So yeah, we're just cutting out as much as we need to until we can mock it up and it fits. And then once we've got that sill in, then we can get the heel board section in. Job done.
Good for a bookkeeper, isn't it?
Nice. Okay, quick progress report. We've welded the new sill in. Next step is to grind down some of the thicker welds. Obviously it's my first time welding, so some of them are a bit. And then once we've ground them down a bit, we're gonna put some seam sealer on, which I've got just here. And then once we've seam sealed it, then obviously it's ready for paint.
I wish I could do something to help you too.
I think it's ready to seam seal now. I've cleaned up all the welds and all of the sections that I want to seam seal with the wire wheel brush. I've never seam sealed before, I've never used it at all, so I've got no idea what I'm doing really. I watched some guy use a brush and brush it onto a car, so it doesn't look difficult. Little bit.
How good you got both in there?
Okay, right, got the seam sealer on. It's looking good. First time I've ever used the stuff, but it seems to be fairly simple to use. Just whack it on and then it dries, and it's like this rubbery stuff. So that's good. This whole section, this whole panel, is the first time we've ever done anything like this. So I think it's done well. There's going to be a few things which are maybe not the best, but you know, hopefully we can learn from that, and next time on the other side we can do it a bit better. But overall, I'm really happy. One side is done, and next we're gonna flip the car around and do the other sill. So yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.